Brandberg quartz from the Geborbesep and surrounds Namibia. Lovely little piece, and there's a hell of a lot of happening inside here. So color zoning running right through different angles. I've put it in this little perky box. It's a tiny piece, not very large, but a lovely piece nonetheless. And of course, with strong lighting, quite exquisite. Let's just have a look in there. Let's just zoom in on that. So you have the amethyst running through there and the smoky. I must actually look if we have a little moving gas come water bubble. And if that is the case, I'd mention in hydro, which in my case, when you look under magnification with a strong light from behind, you'll find that your peripheral gets attacked. So you'd notice motion, and the source of the motion would be a little gas or water bubble. Size of the perky box, we're looking at 28 millimeters by 28, by the height would be 22 millimeters. Specimen comes in the box all the way from the Geborbesep and surrounds Namibia. Brandberg quartz.